Hi there, I'm Chris from New Leaf. Today we're going to talk about the Phaeton. Phaeton has a 510 connection and ego thread, so it will be compatible with every tank we carry. Has a button here that is for firing, and it also indicates the battery level. And then we have the screen. The screen will display your voltage, your wattage, and resistance of your tank. We have the buttons for controlling the voltage and wattage, and then we have the micro USB port, which is for charging and also lets the device operate as a pass-through. So let's start by turning the device on. To turn it on, you want to hit the power button 3 times. 1, 2, 3. And it's going to flash red, yellow, green. And that tells you it's booting up. And then when you hit the button, it'll light up. And if it's green, that means we got a full charge. And then at about 50%, it'll turn yellow. And then when it's about 20 to 30%, somewhere in that ballpark, it turns red. So that way you have an idea of how long you got before you got to plug it back in. So when you hit the button here, it'll show you how many puffs you've taken and then whatever setting you have it on. So right now it's in variable voltage mode. So we're at 3.9 volts, and you can control that up and down with the plus and minus buttons. So to put it into variable wattage mode, we're going to hold the plus button for 1 second and then the power button for 2. And then you see it change to a P. A P is for wattage mode or power. So to adjust that, again, you would use the plus and minus buttons. And it'll go anywhere from 6 watts up to 11 in 0.5 increments. So to put it back into voltage mode, you're going to hold the minus button for 1 second, and then the power button for 2, and there it goes back to V, and that will go for anywhere from 3 volts up to 5 volts. And then that's all preference for which mode you use. The benefit of wattage is that you can kind of find the spot that you like, and no matter what the resistance of the tank is, it'll automatically adjust the voltage for you, and you'll get a pretty consistent vape across the board. So next up, you'd want to check the resistance of your tank. So let's screw on a G18 for this example. And then to check the resistance, you want to hold down the plus and minus buttons at the same time, and it'll instantly pop up there. So it's going to say A, and then A is for atomizer, so we'll do that again. 1.8, so this is a 1.8 ohm. From my experience, I know that I like 1.8 ohm atomizers at about 3.8 volts. That's where I like those. So there we go, got it at 3.8. And now I'll just take a puff, so I'm going to hold on the button. And there you go. So that's all there is to it. That's the Phaeton. Have a good one.